Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. If you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, I wanted to show you this MAC Studio Eyelashing eyeshadow. I picked it up at Marshall's for $5. I haven't used it, but I got it for like $5 because one of the eyeshadows down here came apart, so they gave it to me for 10% off, which they should have done more. So it has a little diagram in it. I've never used it. I picked it up at Marshall's, like I said, so let's get started. So as you can tell, I will show you, it was that bottom one that has a hole in it, but I already put my primer base on by Wet n Wild, and I also put a little bit of this palette from e.l.f. that I've used before in previous videos. So let's get started with this one. I think I am going to do like a nude base like eyeshadow look for you guys. So I'm gonna start with this green one right there. I don't know if you can see. Just take my Real Technique concealer brush that I also use for eyeshadow. Just go like that. Wow, really like it. Do it again. Sorry, my hair is a hot mess because I just got out of the shower. I just went swimming at the pool. I'm on vacation for a couple more days. So now I am going to use this tan color right here. I don't know if you can see that. Just dab it in like that. Like that. Do the same thing. Now I'm going to use like this olive green one down here. I don't know if you can see that right here. So, do it again with the same eye. I don't know, like, if you can see that. I'm gonna use more of the green that I showed you the first time. I'm really liking this palette, guys. Oh, I think I got some in my eyebrow. Looks like it. Yes, I do. This thing came off. It covers. So now I'm just gonna go like this. Like that. To see if I want to use any more colors. There is a lot of nude colors, so I'm going to use this like goldish tan one at the bottom. Just go like that. I don't know if you can see that well. I'm gonna put this down and show you guys. See, like, this is a really good palette. I don't know what it runs regularly. As you can, I don't know if you can see, but I got eyeshadow on my, thing. So, I am going to use a little bit of my Wet n Wild to lighten it up. And then, because it is a little dark around the eyes than I'm used to, so I'm going to take this pink one and go like this and see. Then I'm going to take, what else? My MAC makeup that I'm in love with, and I'm just going to take my finger, rub it like this. See how shiny and sparkly it is? Rub it on my eyelid. And there you have it. Now I'm going to put on my mascara and come back with the end result. So here's the end result of the MAC Studio Eyelashing Eyeshadow palette that I used with a combination of the MAC makeup and the Wet n Wild. So I like this look. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below, please. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so in the beginning of the video, I talked about this MAC Studio eyeshadow palette, and I said it was an eyelashing eyeshadow palette. It's Everlasting. I just looked at it, and so I am so sorry that I messed up, but it's the MAC Studio Everlasting eyeshadow. So thanks for watching. You may have a good laugh like I did at first, but please don't laugh at me, laugh with me.